Hello teacher, hello everyone.
My name is Sam Pim Lang.
My name is Bươn Sài Nhiệt.
My name is Sim Srainik.
Now read the article about Bobby Boy.
Hi, my name Bobby. In birth, I live in English. It Portuguese. I take English at a big school. Here I can speak Portuguese plainly at Gamin a little bird. I love it here most Saturday. I love the city I go to center. It is a beautiful old town very near Lisbon.
I go with friends and we usually go horse riding walking in the lovely countryside. Sometimes we go swimming to the beach. Amazing. All my Portuguese friends can so really I can so very well. So I send back. I live with here. On Sunday night, we sometimes go to Fado restaurant. Fado is stranded Luna at Luna Portuguese music. I love it. I can near sing.
Fado skip ball big I can play the skitter. Sunday is also the day for the home I soda. Travel so this home in English. My friend just I yes cops that room the third this win told I can cook eyes all birds. I sometimes man lick coffee for my hype coffee for kick. I skip the day learn is it and so do I.